Hello again. So in this lab, I will be demonstrating how to detect if your password has been compromised. So the objective is to determine whether a password has been exposed in known data breaches. And this is done using the Have I Been Password or Pwned Password API. Have I Been Password API, I think. So an administrator can actually check against a large database, right, if their password has of compromised credentials without revealing their actual credentials. And this actually works in a very interesting way. Uh, so we don't compare the actual passwords actually, but we compare the uh, the SHA. All right, so what happens is that I'm working on Ubuntu 22 as well, and I'll be using curl and a bash script to check this against the Have I Been Password API database. So normally what happens is when a password is leaked during data breaches, they become very publicly available, and hackers or attackers can potentially use them in order to stuff or to kind of like password spraying attacks. And what happens right now is the way it works, I'm going to do a curl request, right? And I'll pass some kind of prefix of my hash prefix of my password. Then the expected result is a list of SHA hashes, then the number of times each password has appeared in known breaches. For example, if I try this out on this Ubuntu server, you see I have some hashes, then I have the number of times this hash has been found in compromised or in known breaches. So let me go quickly through the script. This is the script to check that. So what happens is it's going to collect the user's password as the first parameter, echoes that out, then construct some kind of full hash uh, using that initial password. Then the next thing it's going to do is just print out, or I can now deduce the prefix and the suffix of that hash. The prefix is actually the first 5 characters, and the suffix is the remaining 26 character of the SHA-1 hash. Then I do a curl request using that prefix, then match it against the suffix which I get. This is case sensitive. So if that is true, it means the password has been compromised. Then I just have candidate password is compromised. If not, password is okay for use. All right, testing. So of course you have to give execution commands to that script. I already created that script here. This is it, pwnedpassword.sh, and if I cut that out, there it is. So if I try, of course I have to give it executable permissions, as you can see here. So all right, I already verified these. So let's take this example. For example, this is a known password. You can see password is compromised, and we have like 4 occurrences in global data breaches. Oh, it'll be interesting to know what this one does. This one is the number is compromised. Okay, maybe the first one is compromised, the second one as well is compromised. Yeah, I wish all right, this is what I was looking for, the hash. So you can see how many times this have occurred in data breaches, like a lot. This password is like a very, very weak password. Don't try this. Let me try a password that, let me see, it aligns with my name, UN at Eric 2021, right? Password is safe. All right, so this is about how to check. System administrators can use this to check if a password has been compromised before in a known data breach. Thank you so much for watching.